Hello, hello. Hello. Welcome to another stream. Today I'm going to be starting off with some optimization because this is a default material with literally just a color in. This is mine mostly because it's doing a lot of calculations that I haven't added an on-off switch for. So I'm going to get this more performant to start with because obviously you don't want to have it not be performance and shader complexity when you don't need it. So that is going to be our step one. So probably starting with, I'll just go in order from here. So I have the baked normal that I'm taking, right? But sometimes you don't need a normal. So I'm going to stack switch parameter. Bake normal. Or just bake normal. Under bake normal, and I'll put that like right on top. So by default, so if it's true, it'll be on. If it's false, then it's just going to take the normal in. Right. So save. I should open up the test material I have to make sure that it's going to be actually doing it. Oh, there we go. I think I actually adjusted like right away. So if this is my little test material. So for here, if I turn to use bake normal on, it's so hard to tell. Yep, there you go. So that's step one. Great. Okay, then we have ambient occlusion. What am I doing for ambient occlusion? Hold on. I don't. Ambient occlusion in. I'm just doing ambient occlusion in and. Okay, I think I was originally doing something ambient occlusion. I don't need ambient occlusion anymore. I was originally using it as a baked AO, but you can do baked AO inside of the layered setup. Delete ambient occlusion from here. Delete ambient occlusion from here. Great. The random color definitely needs to not be on by default. So switch this over. Static switch parameter. Random tint. True's there, and we're going to put this under random colors right on top. And if it's not, then I'm going to use the backface color. And I need to go down the chain and check out the backface color. Okay, well, should be back. Hopefully we're back. Yep, looks like we're back. Well, hopefully I'm getting the hard freezes out of the way early. We'll see. Probably not. But I can hope. I can sure as hell hope. This should be like a Christmas present to myself to buy a new computer. Holiday present. Everything's so expensive. Come on, load it up. you ever click open and it doesn't open, by the way, fun fact, click the icon in your tray, in your taskbar, just click it and then hit open again and it'll open. It's weird. Okay, one more time. Just get rid of ambient occlusion. Did the normal stuff save? Yes, use the bake normal saved. Okay, let's do this again. Static switch parameter. Use random tint. Please don't freeze my computer. I'll fix. Freeze my computer. Okay. Thank goodness. And just real fast, where's the here's a solid backface color. Solid backface color is its own checkbox. So that should be fine. Base color N. Yeah. Okay. So let me also load up the level. I'm going to make a new. I'll make a new one just in case. Okay, this guy is going to get this one, and this guy is going to get this one. Bam. Ooh, there we go. There we go. That's a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. Is there anything else that I need to do that with? The world position offset should all be off. Yep. If it's false, it's 0. That's off by default. Clear coat shouldn't be doing anything until clear coat is active. Same thing with clear coat roughness. Here. Yep. Okay. Then I have opacity multiplied by the opacity mask. Not opacity mask, camera mask. No, I think I'm going to do that differently. I don't need to multiply that there. That's useless. I'm going to take opacity N and just say, if I'm not using it, I'm using opacity N, and then if I am using it, then I'm just multiplying it here. There you go. Okay, that should be better. That's more of an organizational thing than a performance thing. Spec out. Hold on. So it's taking our spec in, lerping it. If it's false, it just takes the spec in. If it's true, then it does the lerp stuff. Yep. Okay. And then emissive. This is changing in 5.3. Yeah, bake height should be. Okay. Perfect. So now we should be in a lot better place. Yep. Yeah, that looks a lot better. There's a slight cost somewhere still, right? And here, let's actually check. I can check where the cost is by just plugging in you. Is the cost here? I shouldn't click save. I should set apply. Whether it's 5 minutes or 20, whether it's walking, I don't really care about saving right now. But too late. Yeah, the cost is not here. Great. So this is as optimized as it can be. Cost is probably here. You know what? While I'm here, let me actually just change this up. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. Okay. So let's plug in this stuff here. Base color. And keep it smart with smart water alkaline. Metallic. Killer. Shoot over. I can just move this up. Actually, I'm not gonna have this plugged in, so I can just move this up. Move this over. This anisotropy. Scooch the stuff. Emissive. Opacity. Tangent. I need center world position offset. I need ambient occlusion. Occlusion. Instead of subsurface surface, I need customize UV7. Actually, I'm going to use pixel depth offset first, since I can customize this. And I actually added almost the exact correct number of stuff. And now I use customize UV7. Occlusion. This goes in here and then so the offset is there. Okay. Kill you. No. Something like you. Scooch it over. It's just a little more compact. Doesn't really matter. But okay. But I want to also double check that everything here is because with offset is at 0 by default. Save. And let me go and open my gonna come back. Oh, there it is. I think we're back yet again. Hopefully it won't crash on me again. Or hard freeze on me again. This time I got a blue screen. It's just different. It didn't just hard freeze. I guess. The problem is always it freezes. Oh, there. Yeah, there's my material layer. Is gone. Yep. See, this is what happens when it hard freezes during a save. You can lose stuff, which is why you should get Git or some kind of source control setup. So let me load it up and then restore it. While I do this, I need to show an explorer. Git bash here. Git restore. And I need to get the name. Paste. What? Can I not paste out the garbage? Okay, so now it should be back. Should have restored that file, and now I should be able to load it up again. Gonna have to redo the cleanup I just did, but it is what it is. Yeah, there's our material layer. Okay, I need to open you. So I gotta redo this. Okay, one more time. It's 13 last time. City. Okay, so here we want ambient occlusion. So I do have extra. It's 12. It was 13 total, but 12. Pixel depth offset. And custom UV 7. Okay. Please save fine. Oh, is that it? It saved immediately? Okay. Good, good. Okay, goes you. Okay. So now I'm going to double check that I have everything here off by default. To do that, the easiest way to do that is just to open up a blank one of these. And by default, pretty much nothing should be. I also need to find these two. Her object shouldn't exist anymore either. Nothing. Base color, everything is off. I have just the tint. You know, why is metallic? Oh no, that's correct. Like I said, why is it metallic? All capitalized. Now I just realized everything's capitalized. Man, am I that tired right now? Roughness. Yep. Specularity. Yeah. Sif. Normal. Yeah. Opacity. Yeah. The opacity value doesn't even need to exist. Because no, it does, because if I choose to have this be as a mask or something that I want opacity. Yeah. Occlusion mapping is off. I want to move this fake sun stuff to the main. I'm going to move it from the layer. I'm going to move it into the main thing. Into like the overall material. So it's a global thing, because you can already do this in a layered setup with far more control. So I think I'm going to move it here. So let's do that. Let's take you. Cut from here. Put here. And that means, yeah, don't need you. And you just need to take base color then. Get base color. No. Excellent. Okay. Save. Yeah, so yeah, the fake is gone. It's all good. So now we want to move it, attach it all here. Okay, so yes, I need the. I base it here. I do maintain. Yeah, it is base color specular. It's the same ones. Okay. Okay, so here I need to grab. And what order do I want to do this in? Let's take the random color. That's going to be our base color is going to be our random color. And then I need the spec out. It's not get spec out, it's just spec out. I'm just thinking blueprints, so I'm like, get. Oh. And then here, do I have a instead of random color? I'm gonna rename this base color. Out. Specularity. Out. And then here, I'm just going to call this spec. Color. Oh, jeez. Did I spell that badly? Yeah, I did. Backface color. And then I can plug out here. Come on. You can do it. Like when it's saving, you'd think it's maybe a hard drive issues that's causing my problems, but I know it's not because I've replaced my hard drives twice. So, that unfortunately. Okay. But now we need to change the blueprint stuff. Right, because right now I have it on the layered section for the fake lighting, and I don't want it on the fake layered section on the fake lighting. So, so if I check, so here, material layer controls, it's under simple directional light controls. Yeah, this is it. This I want to move. Okay, so let's do that. I need to go into structs. Layer mask controls, and this is what this one fake lighting. Remove you. Save. File. It's going to give you errors. Yep. This no longer exists. Which means I no longer need this. And I can take you. And I'm going to bring you into the global controls. Like so. And I don't need a material layer index anymore. So I need to change this as well. So here, this are global parameters, which means I don't actually need to make material attributes. I can just, I change these nodes to just regular set parameter. But first, let me adjust probably the names and grouping of this. Yeah, because formatting is different now. So I need this to be 7. Yep. 7. What else do I... Oh, these guys. Good. So that should... Yep, that got rid of that. Okay. And I should be able to just... Yeah, now swap everything around here. So I can just do set vector parameter value. Instead of by info, it's just by itself. And I can just pipe this in. So, don't need the index. So it's scalar parameter value.
Introducing the new Tim's credit card from Tim's Financial.
That
Rewarding your everyday purchases
in.
no matter what your day looks like.
Scooch
That
it over
means you get
now.
Tim's rewards points everywhere you shop. Apply for the Tim's credit card now, only
okay.
through the Tim's app. Terms
Or-
and conditions apply. See timsfinancial.ca for full details.
Some days you want to cycle, while other days you want to cycle.
Come.
Just like sometimes you want to
St-
walk, and sometimes you want to walk. Peloton has content that will make
That in
your
there.
exercise routine a little less routine. Whether it's 5 minutes or 20,
And
whether
one
it's
more scalar.
walking, running, or cycling, Peloton treads and bikes have every class to get you in the zone. Start a 30-day home trial today. Visit onepeloton.ca/home-trial. Terms apply.
At Kwantland Polytechnic University, challenge meets opportunity.
All this.
It's where the impossible becomes
This
possible.
guy.
It's a place to embrace
Oh.
diversity and welcome challenges. A place that turns dreams into goals and plans
That's a
into
lot
achievement.
better.
Where you empower each
Um,
other and build lasting bonds. A place to be bolder,
Yep.
braver.
The only thing you need to do is add.
It's where thought meets
Add this in.
action. And at KPU, it's only the beginning.
Okay. And for that, let's go to this one. Add simple fake meeting controls. It's this one, right? Yeah, okay. And I'll put it here alphabetically. That's our plan. Save. Okay, and then I need to, I guess, move this section below. Just to keep it consistent here. There we go. Okay, so now under the global controls, fake lighting, override. Oh, do I have random tint turned on? It is. Do I have random tint turned on right now for this? It shouldn't be random tinting. Oh, also use random tint is in the wrong location. I guess this was during one of the crashes. But why is it? Why is it doing anything right now? It shouldn't be doing this. It is. What? Base color in. This is off, so it's just gets the back face color. It is user item 10 is off. It shouldn't be doing any of this. Just gonna double check. I editing the wrong thing that it's not using right now? Is that the problem? Is this using a different base? No, it's the one I'm editing. How? It's just bugged out, isn't it? It's just a bug that hasn't don't save. Hasn't realized what's going. Okay, let's turn this on. No, what are these colors? These. Okay. That's not from this. Okay. What is going on? So I just did this. What? Okay. So what? Also, this is random color. Okay, this needs to be base color out. Not random color. But that's interesting. What is happening? It's because of why? Where's the material? Is it this stuff? Compiling. This is the risky part, always waiting for this to make sure it finishes before I touch anything. It's like PTSD. Yes. Yes. So that... Why? Okay, so if I turn this back on, it'll do the thing again, right? Yeah. Well, that's so weird. What is it? Okay, well, man, at least that's just Unreal crashing. Okay, well, now we know what the problem area is, but I don't think I'm even like overwriting those values anywhere. That's interesting. Okay, let's go back to... Yeah, so it's definitely still happening. So here, because if I go to the blueprint, I am not adjusting it anywhere. Put some stuff. Then graph, I don't. Sure. Color controls, mask controls. Okay. This is fine. Value. Okay, go away. Because I'm pretty sure. Wait. Didn't I? Oh no, it's in the layer controls. It's here. It's being driven here. No, here. But it shouldn't do anything. Because okay, well, what if I added another overwrite? I should add another overwrite to that section. It's not this. It's or do I have it turned? No, I don't have it turned on. No, this is the random layer offsets here. Oh, I do have it on. Oh, god damn it. I freaking left it on. That's my own stupidity. I forgot that during my testing before I left it on at max value. Okay. Okay. I change this to like a really high number, like 10,000. Yeah, it can go past. Of course, you can go past. Okay, well. But then the question is, oh, because I have random C turned on, that's why it's. Yep, okay. Okay. But yeah, it's because I have in this section, right? I've turned on. Okay. Everything is right with the world. I'm just stupid. As we can clearly see. But now I can go into here, simple offset, and then I can turn on. Well, I first need to enable it.
While other days you want to cycle.
And the detail,
Sometimes you want to walk.
fake shadowing. If I turn it on, there it is.
Peloton has content that will make your exercise
Yeah,
routine
if I
a
like
little less
crank this to like
routine,
super high,
whether it's 5 minutes or 20, whether it's walking,
and
running,
turn on shadow
Peloton
strength to
Strength
1.
Have every class to get you in the zone.
There it
Start a
is.
30-day home trial today.
Shadow strength
Visit
0. Yep.
onepeloton.ca/home-trial.
Okay.
Terms apply.
Now it makes sense.
People are always
Uh,
asking me, Pete, how do
did-
you always keep elevating? To
Can't
be honest,
really tell
I have
because
no
the
idea.
top layer
Is it my
is
suave nature? My incredibly brilliant brain?
white. So
Or
let's
maybe
real
it's
quick.
new Smart Water Alkaline
override it to be-
antioxidant and a higher pH.
Now you can see it.
Your skin does look glowing.
Hey, thanks, creepy radio
Yep.
announcer dude.
All good.
Now you
Pete.
can
Elevate
see
how
the
you hydrate and
effect.
keep it
Okay, great.
with Smart Water Alkaline.
Actually just go in here and just set this to be
100% proceeds support local
gray.
charities, community
Gray.
groups, and Tim Hortons Foundation.
Okay.
goals. From November 13th to 19th, buy a holiday smile cookie at Tim's to
Whew, okay, well, this has been a roller coaster of a stream. Hasn't even been an hour. It's been one hell of a roller coaster. Yeah, so don't need to. Okay, but well, this is obviously going to be high right now because it's a multi-layer thing with random stuff turned on. But if I go back to my regular test, and on this guy, I'll bring in my blank material. On this one, I'll bring in just the white material. There's some math still happening somewhere. I don't know where. What I need to do though is go through this entire thing and figure out where the hell these nuns are. Just really don't want to. Select all of these at once at least. Per object, yeah. It's so bad. All of this stuff is on UVs. Parallax, metallic. Oh, this gets it from there, right? These. Metallic. Probably I'll go through all of these enough. It's my guess. It's probably gonna be the same kind of weird thing as it was for one of the nodes where it was just bugged out. Specularity, great. Entropy. Correct. Entropy. Yeah, that's nothing. I'm pretty sure I set all these in bulk, so that's why I'm like 99.9% sure it's none of these. But it has to be something somewhere, right? I wish there was a search option. Emissive. Right. So far, nothing has said none. Multiple values. Hold on. Wait. Oh no, I read the wrong thing. Damn it! I think I grabbed an extra thing. I just didn't realize it. I got excited. It wasn't even that. It wasn't even that. Hello. That's the one. I found it. I found it. It means nothing for the complexity, of course. But that means I get rid of still a scale. Why is there still a scalar parameter values here? Nothing should exist here anymore. For the simple reason that there is no none, which means there's nothing that is not in a group. So the fact that that section even exists is odd. That's a bug. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, it's fixed. It's good. I've improved it, the shader complexity, as much as I can. At least for now. Because if it's false, it bypasses. If it's false, it bypasses. If it's false, it bypasses. And then from here, it should go to just color tint. Base color tint. Which is just the regular value. False. Base value. You just go to base value. Base value. There's probably something somewhere where it's a little... Oh, that's false, yeah. Base value is just, yeah, 0. I bet it could be as simple as what's it called? Like I'm using a plug this in. I doubt this matters. No, not really. Normal, use normal, false. Take this. Just to make sure that, it's going to be as, that didn't change anything. Okay. I'm not sure. It's probably just the math or the switches themselves that have a cost to some degree. That's my only guess. Because otherwise it's just using the default values everywhere. It's not using anything unless it's turned on. The UVs. There's a lot of math it's doing on the UV front. But I'm not using a texture, so UVs are off. So no, it's not even doing that, right? Because if I open this, it's empty. So there's something else. Some small cost somewhere. It is probably the fact that it is a layered setup. It just, by default, is a little heavier. Is my guess. $227 instructions versus 234.
Tired of being notified by life spells and whistles?
I mean, like,
When you're ready to stop working so hard, You know it's time to play. It's easy to find your
Barely
next
any
favorite
difference
game at
in the base pass, but I mean that's not great. Why is that texture samples at all right now?
Visit bodog.net today.
Eh,
Make
I think I'm gonna be satisfied with this. You know what? It is what it is.
It can be tough to figure
It is
out
what it
how
is.
to drive
Okay.
growth when you're in the thick of it. On Growth Decoder, we'll talk to businesses who are
Okay,
those
okay.
challenges, and we'll give you tangible takeaways that you can
Let's close out of here. We're good with this, and I think with that out of the way, this is the next thing to do. Now that's kind of done. That I want to do is start going through the blend stuff. Yep. So tomorrow, whenever I get to it, we need to start effectively making this larger. So I want to expose the overall blend strength, like as its own category, and then start going down the list. I also want to add more controls to the RGB mask. So maybe I'll do that first, because the RGB mask doesn't have much, and then maybe I just want to do the same thing as I have for the sub mask and just copy those settings over to the RGB mask. So I have just all the same controls, and then same with the blueprint. Yeah, that's what I'll do next. I'll move the sub mask stuff to the RGB mask. That's my next step. That way we have the same controls. Sweet. Okay. That's the plan. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care of the rest next time. Take care. Bye.